Before buying a steam mop for hardwood floors, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Shark Steam Pocket Mop. Let's kick things off with the Shark Steam Pocket Mop. Priced at $79.99, this model caught my eye with its impressive performance and lightweight design. If you want a reliable steam mop that effectively sanitizes your hardwood floors, this is worth a serious look. This mop shines in its steam sanitization feature, which removes 99.9% of common household bacteria using just water. It heats up in just 30 seconds, so you won't be left waiting around. Plus, the double-sided cleaning pads allow you to flip and continue cleaning without constantly washing them, extending your cleaning session. With a capacity of 15.2 fluid ounces, you can cover a decent area before needing to refill. This model has a solid 4.4-star rating from over 43,700 reviews, which speaks volumes about its performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It means less time cleaning and more time enjoying your spotless floors. Now, some people complain that the steam output could be stronger for really tough stains. Here's the thing though, if you're just doing regular cleaning, it's not a deal breaker. This mop is perfect for those who want to keep their floors fresh without the hassle of heavy-duty scrubbing. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy-to-use steam mop that effectively sanitizes your hardwood. Skip this one if you have extremely stubborn stains that require more intense cleaning. For $79.99, it's a fantastic value for money. Now, if the Shark Steam Pocket Mop steam output bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Shark Steam Spot Steam Mop. Next up is the Shark Steam Spot Steam Mop, priced at $109.99. This model really caught my attention with its steam blaster technology. If you want a steam mop that tackles tough stains effortlessly, this one is worth a serious look. The steam blaster technology lets you target and blast away stubborn spots with just a tap of your finger. This mop also features 3 steam modes: light for quick cleanups, normal for everyday use, and deep for those really stuck-on messes. It removes 99.9% of bacteria using only water, making it safe for your family and pets. With a 500 ml removable water tank, you won't have to stop to refill constantly. It also weighs under 5 pounds, making it easy to maneuver around furniture. The fact that it has a solid 4.4-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews shows that users appreciate its performance. Here's why this matters for you. You get a customizable cleaning experience while ensuring your floors stay hygienic. However, some users mentioned it can be a bit bulky to store. Here's the thing, if you have limited storage space, it might require some creative thinking. But if you want a mop that excels at stain removal, this is a trade-off worth considering. This is perfect for you if you struggle with tough stains and want a customized experience. Skip this one if you need a compact design for small spaces. At $109.99, it might be on the higher side, but it delivers solid value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want multi-surface capabilities. Product number 3, LABIGO 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Now let's talk about the LABIGO 10-in-1 Steam Mop, available for $66.47. The first thing that caught my eye is its versatility. If you want a multifunctional cleaner that tackles more than just floors, this is worth a serious look. It includes various attachments, turning it into a handheld steamer for cleaning windows, carpets, and even barbecue grills. Its 350 ml tank offers about 12-15 minutes of continuous cleaning, which is pretty decent. With a 4.2-star rating from over 4,100 reviews, many users praise its efficiency. Here's why this matters for you. It means you get one tool for multiple cleaning tasks, saving you time and space. Here's the thing though, if you're doing general cleaning rather than heavy-duty jobs, this shouldn't be a huge issue. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile cleaner that can handle various surfaces and tasks. Skip this one if you need a steam mop solely for hardwood floors. At $66.47, it gives great value for what it offers. Now, if the labigo size concerns you, the next one is designed for ease of use. Product number 4, Watte Steam Mop. Next up is the Watte Steam Mop, priced at $49.99. This model stands out with its powerful steam capabilities. If you want an affordable option that effectively deep cleans, this one is worth a serious look. This mop delivers steam at an impressive 260 degrees F within just 15 seconds, ensuring you can tackle grime quickly. Plus, it's chemical-free, which is a huge plus for families with kids and pets. With a 4.6-star rating from about 378 reviews, users rave about its cleaning efficiency. Here's why this matters for you. It means you can keep your home spotless while ensuring a safe environment. Now, some users found the cord length a bit short for larger rooms. Here's the thing, if you have a big space, you might need an extension cord, but for smaller areas, this won't be a problem. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want powerful cleaning. Skip this one if you have large areas that require a longer reach. At $49.99, it's a steal for its performance. Alright, that was a great budget pick. But the last product on my list is a multifunctional gem. Product number 5, Scrub Wiz Steam Mop. Finally, we have the Scrub Wiz Steam Mop, priced at $69.99. What caught my attention here is its 10-in-1 functionality. If you want a versatile cleaner that adapts to your various cleaning needs, this one is worth a serious look. This model heats up in just 10 seconds and can reach steam temperatures of 248 degrees F, tackling dirt, grease, and tough stains effectively. It comes with a wide range of accessories, making it perfect for cleaning everything from floors to barbecue grills. Plus, it has a solid 4.1-star rating from over 2,400 reviews, indicating strong user satisfaction. Here's why this matters for you. It means you can enjoy a deep clean without the hassle of using multiple tools. However, some users noted that the attachments can be a bit cumbersome to switch out. Here's the thing, if you don't mind a little extra effort for a comprehensive clean, it's a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a single tool to tackle multiple cleaning tasks. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward, no-frills option. At $69.99, it's a solid investment for its versatility. So there you have it. We explored the Shark Steam Pocket Mop for effective sanitization, the Shark Steam Spot for tough stains, the labigo for multi-surface cleaning, the Watte for budget-friendly power, and the Scrub Wiz for versatility. Each of these steam mops has its unique strengths, so think about what fits your needs best. Happy cleaning!